the first speaker I'm ready to welcome to the stage is Volodya Sveredyuk, winner and now CTO at Dev Challenge and lead backend judge.
Okay. Who knows what is it? It's a weekly stat from Genius service. Guys and mates abroad who watch us online. Disclaimer, it's a service for looking for a job. Usually anonymous, but nowadays it's not anonymous. We need a job, yeah? And stat is really sad. It was worse, now it's a little better. But we have like 83K of candidates and only 7K. Vacations, I remember that it was like 3K, 19s. Now it's a little bit, like it's better because like if you want to find a job, usually we'll go to DOUA, Genie, LinkedIn, etc. websites. So I'm backend engineer. For many years, my primary backend tech was Ruby stack, Ruby on Rails, JavaScript, Web, HTML, REST API, Postgres. Like if anyone hiring in this room, like I'm ready. So yeah, but if open, so here, front end guys, what the fuck? But when I go to like, if I want to find a new job with Ruby, I open DOUA, and there is no jobs. And yeah, but like. When you type like Ruby and DOUA, it will be like 15 results in a search. Only 50. I remember the days when it was like 600, but now it's 50. Yeah, now it's 50. My second backend technology that I'm like really confident with is Elixir. Yeah, not really good. So probably it's time to learn something new. Maybe JavaScript, maybe something else. My name is Volodya Sveredyuk. I have 3 job titles. I'm CTO at Dev Challenge, CEO at Kirui, and CTO in Kestek. And I am not show off. I just think that nowadays, if you want to be a solid IT guy, you need at least to have like 3 jobs. Yeah, ones that you have to do, ones that you love to do, and ones that you will be paid for. So that's why I have 3 job titles. Yeah, but today I'm like CTO at Dev Challenge. So. My speech today will be like the future of Ukrainian IT engineering or why we are out of jobs. I mean, like right now, yeah? Not so bad, not so bad. Okay, so overall, we have some crisis, let's be honest. We have some crisis, no panic. Here in the hall, like junior guys just came and asked like, hello, la la la, how to find a job? Oh my God. Like, I want to be optimistic. But right now we have some kind of like job crisis. I know that many of you have friends who like looking for a new job like for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 3 years. When you go to LinkedIn, tons of avatars with open to work. It's sad. But biggest mistake is right now will be wait until everything turn back. Okay? Like it's the biggest mistake, just sit and wait. Everything will turn back. It was really interesting to see my colleagues the first year after the full-scale invasion, but in the 3rd year, it's just foolish. It's the biggest mistake. The right action right now will be just accept reality. Accept reality, especially that like nothing will turn back. We just have a new reality. We need to adopt. No more like hundreds of unread messages in LinkedIn like, we need you. Hey. Please review our offer, check our open position. It will be not like this anymore. Now we will need to fight for this, okay? So competition just started. No more something like plus a few $100 per year. I know that many companies, they like freeze this process, salary review freeze it, so we just need to leverage what we have right now. Just new reality. No more new job every 2 years. On my main job, I usually interviewing engineers, interviewing people, newcomers, and it's like, when previously you open CV and you see like every 1 or 2 years, like new job, new project, new job, new project, new company. Usually I'm asking like, what are you looking for? Maybe you're looking for something that we don't have. And we will not waste 1 hour of my time, your time, and so on. So like this is already passed. Right now it's really hard to hunt people because like people not switching easily, and like I predict that the amount of years spent on a company will be grow more than 2 years. No more bullshit. Okay, I think that overall nature is self-healing. Nature is self-healing. The IT nature is self-healing. Like the process is normalizing. It's happening what just need to be happen. Like a lot of people join IT industry, and like we just like grew this bubble, and this bubble right now just become a little bit smaller. Okay, you may think something like nice, Volodya, very optimistic. Oh my God, what's next? Okay, what's next? So to know what will be next, what will be in the future, we need to know what was in the past. Because if you don't know your past, you will not discover any opportunities in the future. So how it was in the past? I started my professional career around like 2000s. It was C, C++, Delphi, Visual Basic. It was desktop applications. Okay, it was usual desktop applications. I earned first $100 of salary when I built like Delphi application. By the way, it was warehouse inventory management, where you have a warehouse, you can to supply and sell items from warehouse and calculate profit. And surprise, surprise, this year it was a task on a final for the backend domination. It was like more than 20 years ago. Later, 10 years later, the web started dominating. So like, okay. But still like Java, .NET, and PHP already like was the primary technology. If you want to earn money in 2010, probably these three technologies will be for you most interesting. But things starting being interesting like 5 years later, situation dramatically changed as Ruby, Python, JavaScript starting dominating. I mean like job market, okay? I mean like job market. If you want to find a job, this will be your like focus on a tech stack if you want to find a job. JavaScript, I mean everything, like Node.js backend, Knockout.js on the front end, Backbone, Angular 1. What? I'm not so old, man, I'm not so old. And 2020, if you want to find a job, you need to learn React, okay? Just learn React, they said. It will be easy. 5K in 3 years, they said. Yeah, it was hyped. It was hyped. Definitely, it was hyped. It's normal. It's usually AI right now is hyped. It was hype of React in 2020. It was like it was really hard to open Twitter and just skip all this inflation bullshit about React. You learn React, use React, React here, React there. Okay, React Native, React. It was annoying, but it was a history. It was a fact. So, because in the past, usually Ukrainian IT industry was dominated by service business. Okay, so service is like when you do the job and this job is a value, not the product. So product was minority, service was majority. Service, I mean like big service companies like Serve, Luxoft, EPAM, and etc. Other guys, Intellias, they just dominated the market. It was fine, it was normal. Without this period of IT history, the future is not possible. So service was dominated. But from reality, it was like this. It was resource economy. It was nothing different from chopping off trees and selling the resource. It doesn't matter what you're selling, gas, oil, wood, human hours. It's all the same. It's a resource economy. This is like a business without any additional value. You just sell raw material, brains. That's how it was. Okay, so and what, like what's next, like? And we have a present. What do we have right now? Right now we have AI. It's everywhere. It's hyped. It's really hard right now open any product and avoid all these AI features. Yeah, skip chat with AI, close AI. I don't need AI. Yeah, but AI is everywhere. And AI is not only about tech stack. It's also about the business. What did AI? It just fully destroyed tons, different thousands ideas that probably can exist somewhere in the future, but AI tech stack just fully destroyed ideas that you can do applications as previously. Previously, you did backend, you did frontend, you did DevOps, you did Docker, you did deploy, CI/CD, everything. So we had really stable 10 years of technical stuff delivery. AI just destroyed it. Because if you don't have AI in your product, why you build this product? Your product must has AI inside. Data is the boss right now, and it's still more clear that data is more and more important. New oil, right now definitely data is a new oil in the boss. Cloud native design is really, really tricky part. More and more cloud providers roll out this business. And right now you can build fully cloud native solution without any line of code, okay? So you can use like Amazon, you can use GCP, you can use any cloud, and you can build backend there with your mice. You can build frontend here with your mice. Like you can fully skip the full like regular LDLC, SDLC process, just use cloud native. Low code, no code is still on the market. It's every year it's more and more popular because like, let's be honest, like I think 9 of 10 projects that we are building should not exist because of it can be validated more easily with low code and no code solution. Integrate services together, just not code it. Not code it, avoid it. And legacy application support, because we have legacy. Who will support this like 30 years Java applets? Like somebody has to support this. So still legacy application support will be on the market. So right now it's really will be profitable business. Especially nowadays when AI will generate a lot of new legacy code, someone will still have to support this in the future. Okay, got it. Present. What's next? We heard the title of the speech. It's about the future. Like, tell us the future. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about the future. I don't know what will be the tech stack in the future. I don't believe that we will lose all jobs because of AI. It's definitely something you should definitely leverage from the AI tools. Use Copilot, okay? Use Copilot, use anything that will autocomplete, give you better performance, will reduce the cost, reduce amount of hours, just spend less time on coding, use whatever you want. I think like that AI will not replace us, but engineers with AI will replace us. That's what will happen. So soft skills is still important. It was important 10 years ago, only 10 years ago, okay? 20 years ago, it was not important. But soft skills is still like nice. Just be nice. Be nice, like ask questions, communicate. When someone asks like any questions, start talking. Don't keep silent, okay? Just like communication. It's always about communication. Be good communicator. Don't be komunikaka, okay? Be communicator. Ask questions, ask why. Critical mindset. If you will ask like why we need this, like do really we need to spend like 2 weeks of coding on this, like just it can be like validated with a spreadsheet file, etc. It's valuable for business. Business don't want to hire robots. They want to hire humans who will be proactive, who will be like included in the process, who cares about the business. They need like valuable people. And valuable people means people that know how to give the result with the tools that they know. Because like programming languages, JavaScript and any other language, just a tool. It's a tool set. It's more important how you know how to use this tool to build something really valuable for business. And in the future, it will be really valuable. Communication. Problem solver. If you know how to solve the problem with a lower cost, you will be never out of the job. You will be always valuable resource or talent on the job market. If you know how to find a problem, it will be super valuable. Yeah, forget Rackler on the right. I think that's just fact. No offense. Yeah, our future, especially of Ukrainian IT engineering, we need to change the paradigm. We need situation when product will dominate the service. Why? We don't have other choice. We're just on the market where India can offer more and cheaper and safer. When United States stay with Ukraine, but we will not send you any projects. Sorry. We just we don't have other chance. Our future is is not about service, especially if you're living in Ukraine. You know the situation, yeah? Even Ukrainian companies that migrated to Europe, they literally slowly stop hiring in Ukraine. Only maybe some rare positions, but like usually they're looking something from someone who is ready, not geographically located here. Unfortunately, just sad, true, that need to be accepted. Because we need this, okay? We need product. We don't need to sell wood, trees, chop trees. We need to create a product with additional value. The process of creation of this product will create a lot of additional value. It's not only about create a chair. It's also about like supply chair, sell it, okay? Pack it, logistic, taxes, everything here. The price will be like X10, X20. We need the product. Not only one product. We need a lot of products. It's our future. Like, even like if some weird products we need to build them. Because like there is always a market. Additional value to products is always available. It's always better than just the raw brain resources. Luckily, we're not alone, yeah? We already have like really good examples of guys who already 10 years ago they started, they built a product. Now it's like world-leading brands. Like, for example, MacPo, Deposit Photos, Reply, PetCube, Grammarly, Ajax. If you wonder why the logo of MacPo is like so dominating over other, because it's our special partner of the challenge. That's why. Thank you, MacPo. I think like just good examples that 10, 15, 20 years ago, our colleagues, they choose the hard path. It was the hard way. But nowadays, it's only this. I think that's one and only way for now. If you want to find a job, join product companies. It's will be more stable, more reliable, and more for you in professional point of view. It will be more valuable. You will learn better. You will learn faster. You will do more. You will grow faster with product. Okay, so the future is something like this. Trying to think in the way where you need to like detect the problem, deliver solution, charge the money. If you will start thinking like this, everything that you build will change dramatically because that's how business works. It's always about this pattern applicable almost to every business if it's legal. If it's legal, this pattern is always like a pattern. And like my afterwords will be something like, do you know what means Turkey illusion? Do you know? Raise hands who know what means Turkey illusion. Okay, nice. Oh, that will be a story. So Turkey illusion is a psychological phenomenon. So do you know Turkey? Yeah, Indic. It's a really interesting bird. If you will feed the turkey Indic, it will always grow. It will become more fat, bigger, and bigger. And it's called Turkey illusion. That someone feed you, and you will think that they always grow. It will be always more. There'll always be next day. Until Thanksgiving Day happened. And those who feed you just chop you. So avoid this illusion. Don't be in Turkey who just wait when the next Thanksgiving Day started. Because I'm old enough, I'm already survived after few of them. It was Thanksgiving Day in 2008. It was Thanksgiving Day in 2012, 14, 20, 22. And now it's still like one big Thanksgiving Day is happening just every day. So don't be Turkey. Go and do something extra and you will be never out of the job. Thank you. Subscribe to my professional Telegram channel if you want to read more something like this. And you have any questions? We have a question?
We actually, if there are any questions, like one, I can allow this.
One question is allowed.
For the turkey, you know, because I was really, yeah, there we go. Hey, wait a second, we have a mic. You need to be heard.
Sorry, just one question. What about AI in your own product?
Yeah, we have one place where we used AI in my own product. It's an icon selection gallery. Yeah, so we had a place where a user had to like select icon from 6,000 icons library, and we used AI there invisibly. So user just type a name of the category, and we automatically choose like icon for this category from the library by AI. But we don't ask, we don't tell this like to user like we have AI, you have AI, use AI, use AI. Because why? Because like when I talk with my customers, with my end users, I like pitch ideas. Like I have few cool ideas about how to use AI, digital assistant, digital broker, digital agent, and customers like, nah, and like, okay, then probably marketers say that we don't need AI right now. Maybe in 1 year everything will be changed. But I think like it's a really cool tool. Definitely, like not need to ignore it. Okay, it's worth to learn it, worth to use it somehow, worth to know how it works, and when it's like pros and cons, when it's used, when it's not.